Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the place where we turn your outdoor dreams into stunning reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you're like me, you love a beautiful yard, but maybe you don't love the endless mowing, watering, and fertilizing that comes with the traditional grass lawn. What if I told you there's a stunning, sustainable, and low-maintenance alternative? Today, we're diving deep into the world of the no-grass garden landscape. We'll cover everything you need to know, from design secrets to the best plants, and then we'll show you 10 incredible ideas to inspire your own transformation. Let's get started. So, what exactly do we mean by a no-grass garden landscape? Simply put, it's an approach to yard design that completely replaces the traditional turf lawn with a diverse range of alternative materials and plantings. Instead of a single sprawling expanse of grass, these designs utilize things like decorative gravel, crushed stone, natural mulch, permeable pavers, beautiful decking, or even ground covers and low-maintenance shrubs. The goal isn't just to remove the grass. It's to create a richer, more textural, and often more functional outdoor space. It's a deliberate choice to use materials that are better suited to your local climate and lifestyle, allowing you to personalize your garden far beyond the limits of a simple lawn. The benefits of ditching the lawn are substantial, hitting your wallet, your free time, and the environment. Perhaps the biggest advantage is the dramatic reduction in water use. Traditional lawns are notoriously thirsty, consuming an immense amount of water, especially in drier climates. A no-grass landscape, especially one utilizing native or drought-tolerant plants, often called xeriscaping, can slash your water bill and make your garden far more sustainable. Secondly, consider the time and maintenance savings. No more weekly mowing, edging, weeding for grass-specific problems, or applying harsh chemical fertilizers. You spend less time working on your yard and more time relaxing in it. This shift from high-input maintenance to simple, occasional care is a huge lifestyle improvement. Finally, these designs offer superior aesthetic flexibility and ecological benefits. Replacing monoculture turf with diverse plantings, hardscaping, and natural ground covers creates year-round visual interest and provides much-needed habitat for local pollinators, birds, and beneficial insects, contributing to a healthier, more vibrant ecosystem right outside your door. The transition from grass to a grass-free landscape opens up a world of decorative possibilities. The key is to think of your yard as a series of outdoor rooms. Start with hardscaping to define zones. Use materials like large-format pavers or wooden decking to create distinct seating or dining areas. Connect these areas with pathways made from stepping stones, pea gravel, or crushed granite, adding texture and guiding the eye. To soften the look, incorporate vertical elements like pergolas, arbors, or decorative privacy screens. Strategic planting is crucial. Instead of a flat green carpet, use varying heights and textures with shrubs, ornamental grasses, and ground covers like creeping thyme or sedum. Group plants in layers, tall ones in the back, medium in the middle, and low ground covers in the front, to add depth and visual appeal. Finally, don't forget the details. Incorporate decorative boulders or river rock features, install layered outdoor lighting to highlight trees and pathways, and add water features like a small pond or a fountain for a calming auditory element. The goal is to create a multi-sensory, beautifully sculpted space that maximizes functionality and minimizes upkeep. Choosing the right plants is the heart of a successful no-grass garden. You want tough, beautiful, and low-water varieties that fit your local zone. For ground covers, look for options that spread beautifully without needing to be mowed. Creeping thyme offers a light fragrance and tiny flowers, while various sedums and hens and chicks are perfect for sunny, dry spots, adding fascinating texture. Ornamental grasses are fantastic for movement and texture, providing year-round interest. Look for varieties like feather reed grass or blue fescue. For structure and color, succulents and cacti are unparalleled in dry climates, offering unique architectural shapes. And if you're looking for a softer, more cottage-style feel, consider hardy, fragrant shrubs and perennials like lavender, coneflower, echinacea, and salvia. Always check what native and drought-tolerant species thrive in your specific region. They will be the easiest to care for and the most beneficial to your local ecosystem. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best no-grass garden landscape ideas to spark your creativity. 1. Architectural pavers and fountain feature. This high-end design uses a bold, contemporary pattern of varying sizes of light-toned square and rectangular pavers, creating a striking mosaic against the dark green artificial turf. The turf provides a splash of green color and texture without the maintenance of real grass. A formal water feature with a beautiful stone statue anchors the far end of the space, creating a luxurious, defined outdoor area that is both visually complex and remarkably easy to care for. 2. Modern minimalist side yard with decking. A sleek, contemporary design that utilizes clean lines and contrasting textures. Long wooden deck planks create a warm, inviting walkway, perfectly bordered by neat rows of low-growing, bright green grassy shrubs. The layout is minimalist, featuring artificial turf and a clean, light-colored pebble strip against the modern dark gray house, emphasizing structure and low maintenance. This approach is ideal for narrow side yards or urban spaces. 3. Desert oasis with multi-level hardscaping. This stunning desert landscape completely embraces hardscaping and xeriscaping principles. It features multiple circular patio areas paved with warm, light-toned stone and encircled by stone-clad walls. These defined zones are perfect for a fire pit and a separate dining area, connected by curving walkways bordered by gravel. A hammock and lush-looking artificial turf accent the space, showing how functional patio zones and low-water elements can create a luxurious resort-like feel. 4. Southwestern xeriscape with large boulders. An excellent example of xeriscaping tailored for arid environments. The ground is covered in crushed, reddish-brown gravel, which conserves water and provides a perfect base for large, natural white boulders and drought-tolerant desert plants like cactus and agave. Stepping stones create a pathway across the gravel, and small clusters of colorful purple and yellow flowering plants add pops of color. This is the ultimate low-water, low-maintenance landscape. 5. Structured garden with wood deck and hedges. This design achieves a formal English garden feel without extensive lawn care. The space is expertly structured with clean-cut boxwood hedges that define the perimeter and planting beds. A central wooden deck and light-toned patio pavers provide the main circulation and seating areas. The planting is lush but contained, featuring a mix of ferns, flowering perennials, and a neat square-shaped bed of pebbles and small plants in the foreground, blending hardscape with dense, low-maintenance greenery. 6. Majestic bouldering and hillside planting. A superb example of using natural elevation to your advantage. This landscape features a dramatic hillside composed of massive, natural boulders and rocks, creating a textural retaining wall. The spaces between the rocks are filled with diverse plantings, including various shrubs, ornamental grasses, and small trees, all mulched with dark wood chips. A winding grassy pathway follows the contour of the hill, leading the eye upward and providing a lush, forested feel while minimizing traditional lawn maintenance on the slope. 7. The formal stone-paved patio retreat. This design beautifully marries structure with minimal planting. Large, light-colored square stone pavers form a clean, inviting patio area, providing a designated space for outdoor dining or relaxation right outside the home. The sharp, geometric lines of the steps and paver borders contrast perfectly with the texture of the central pea gravel pathway and the surrounding neatly trimmed artificial turf, proving you can achieve a formal, elegant look without the headaches of a traditional lawn. 8. Elevated rockery and illuminated borders. An enchanting and dynamic landscape featuring a substantial curving bed of large natural stones and a mix of colorful drought-tolerant plantings. This elevated rockery creates a spectacular focal point, separated from the lawn by a dark mulch border. Strategic low-voltage lighting placed beneath the large boulders highlights the rich textures and colors of the foliage, transforming the space into a dramatic and welcoming area after sunset, offering high visual impact with low water needs. 9. Zen-inspired courtyard with water feature. A tranquil modern backyard retreat centered around a reflective rectangular water feature. The space uses a minimalist material palette, light wooden decking for sun lounging, a pea gravel surrounding the pond for texture, and a simple lush patch of lawn accent. The design is clean and open, featuring large planters and a decorative urn, creating a peaceful, zen-like atmosphere that prioritizes relaxation and elegant hardscaping over expansive grass. 10. The cottage-style wildflower meadow patio. Moving away from stone and wood, this charming design features a circular brick patio tucked into a vibrant, intentionally wild meadow. The seating area is surrounded by a riot of colorful wildflowers, including purples, yellows, and blues, creating a stunning naturalistic look. This approach replaces the lawn entirely with a rich biodiversity of flowering plants, perfect for attracting pollinators and offering a romantic, low-maintenance garden that changes beautifully with the seasons. As you can see, a no-grass garden landscape is so much more than just removing your lawn. It's an opportunity to design a space that is customized to your life, beautiful year-round, and incredibly rewarding. By embracing hardscaping, creative ground covers, and drought-tolerant plants, you can create a yard that is not only stunning but also sustainable, saving you time, water, and money. It's time to trade that noisy lawnmower for a relaxing afternoon on your new patio. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want to keep transforming your home and garden, be sure to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.